Do you keep a video diary or a written one? I actually do both. I've kept a video diary since I turned 50. That was like 6 years ago. What I do is I sit in front of the camera and talk to myself. I usually start by saying, "Hi, me, how are you doing today?" Then I'll talk about the weather, the season, and from there I might vent, encourage myself, speak life into my day, or simply reflect on whatever God is doing in my life at that moment. I'll tell you, it's been a fun ride, I would say. You might wonder what got me started. I actually watched a video back in the early 2000s about a woman who had a terminal illness. Knowing she was dying, she began recording messages for her young daughter, teaching her life lessons through her own journey. Her attention to detail inspired me to begin my own video diary. So, what do you think? Would you start a video journal like me? You could if you want, it's fun. With that, I leave you with snippets from my video journal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you. Love you. I can never hate you because you are me, right? I love you. Bye, me. Until next time.